candle.
You sing happy birthday, Gus?
I can't. You sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Papa!
Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Okay, I have to make a wish and blow out the candles.
Blow it.
Okay.
Yay! It's deep. They're getting away.
Okay, who wants cake?
Me too. I want a spoon. I want a spoon. I want a spoon.
Gus, whose birthday is it?
We're going to share Papa's birthday cake.
It's
Yeah.
not Papa's birthday.
Gus's? Gus's cake?
Well, okay, yesterday was Papa's birthday.
Let me try on my fingers.
Let's wait till we get you a slice. I know, it's awfully tempting, isn't it? Gus?
I want some cakes.
Alright, let's dish it up.